Justin Baldoni's team faces threats and health data leaks amid legal fight with Blake Lively. The intense legal dispute between actors Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively has taken a dramatic turn, with Baldoni and his public relations team facing severe online harassment and personal safety concerns. As the conflict escalates, the fallout has raised questions about privacy, accountability, and the toll of public disputes in the entertainment industry. If you're following this unfolding story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below to stay updated on the latest developments. Baldoni, aged 41, and his PR team have been overwhelmed by a wave of anonymous threats targeting their personal safety, stemming from his ongoing legal battle with Lively, 37, his co-star in the film It Ends With Us. Sources close to Baldoni shared with a major news outlet that the threats have been relentless, creating an atmosphere of fear for those involved. Lively has accused Baldoni of inappropriate behavior during the film's production and alleges that he orchestrated a damaging media campaign against her through his production company and PR team, which includes professionals Melissa Nathan and Jennifer Abel. These accusations have fueled a heated public and legal confrontation, drawing significant attention to both parties. Insiders revealed that employees of the agency group, TAG, a PR firm led by Nathan, have been directly affected by the controversy. Court documents filed by Lively's legal team included personal details, such as home addresses, of several publicists involved, leading to heightened safety concerns. One TAG employee, a mother of 2 young children, expressed profound anxiety about leaving her home due to the volume of threats received. "I've had to inform my child's school about the threats we've received," she confided to a news source. "We've even installed a security gate at our property because the public disclosure of our personal information has left us vulnerable." The emotional toll on these individuals underscores the real-world consequences of high-profile disputes. The threats have been particularly vicious, with some targeting Nathan and Abel with extreme hostility. Messages obtained by a news outlet labeled the PR team with derogatory terms and expressed wishes for their personal ruin. One chilling message read, "I hope your life becomes unbearable," while another ominously referenced the film's title, stating, "It ends with you." The intensity of these communications has left the team grappling with fear and uncertainty as they navigate the fallout of a legal battle that has spilled into the public domain. The situation has also taken a darker turn, with reports of anti-Semitic rhetoric directed at some team members, further compounding their distress. One employee, responsible for caring for elderly parents, voiced concerns about their safety amid the escalating harassment. The legal conflict has also drawn in other figures connected to Baldoni's professional circle. Steve Sarowitz, a co-founder of Wayfarer Studios, which produced It Ends With Us, faced a terrifying incident when a suspect allegedly set fire to a garbage can outside his family's $1.8 million home in Highland Park, Illinois. The incident, which occurred in the early hours of April 28th, involved flammable materials and caused damage to the property. Authorities arrested 25-year-old Eduardo Aragon, who was charged with arson and intimidation after sending threatening messages to Sarowitz's family. The messages demanded $80,000 and threatened to abduct Sarowitz's daughter if the demands were not met. "You may have the resources to pursue legal battles, but that won't protect you from us," one message warned. The arrest, facilitated by collaboration between the FBI and local police, highlights the extreme measures some individuals have taken in response to the dispute. Adding to the complexity, Lively's legal team has been accused of mishandling sensitive information, including the private health details of Jed Wallace, a crisis management consultant working with Baldoni. Wallace, 51, found himself entangled in the conflict when Lively's initial complaint named him as a defendant, alleging he played a role in a coordinated effort to undermine her reputation online. The filing referenced a serious health episode Wallace experienced, attributing it to the stress of legal proceedings. However, Wallace was not included in Lively's subsequent federal lawsuit filed on December 31st, leading to confusion and media misreporting. Wallace has since filed his own lawsuit, claiming emotional distress and financial losses due to the erroneous accusations. "My business focuses on supporting individuals through crises," Wallace stated in his filing. "Being falsely implicated in this dispute has caused significant harm to my reputation and livelihood." His case seeks damages exceeding $1 million, reflecting the profound impact of the controversy on his professional life. At the heart of the legal battle, Baldoni has countered Lively's allegations with a $400 million lawsuit against her and her husband, Ryan Reynolds, 48, asserting that her claims are unfounded and defamatory. Baldoni argues that Lively sought to exert undue influence over the It Ends With Us project, citing instances where she allegedly referenced her connections to Reynolds and pop icon Taylor Swift to assert authority. Court filings include colorful anecdotes, such as Lively reportedly calling Reynolds and Swift "my dragons," likening herself to a powerful character from Game of Thrones. Baldoni's team also alleges that Lively was unprepared for the role, claiming she delayed reading the novel on which the film was based, and marginalized Baldoni during the film's premiere by relegating him and his family to less prominent seating. These claims paint a picture of behind-the-scenes tensions that have now erupted into a public spectacle. The legal proceedings have sparked speculation about who else might be drawn into the fray. Reynolds is considered a likely candidate for further scrutiny, given his close involvement with Lively and the allegations surrounding his influence. Reports have also surfaced suggesting that Swift and actor Hugh Jackman, a friend of Reynolds, could face subpoenas, though Swift is said to be deeply upset about her name being associated with the case. The involvement of high-profile figures has only amplified public interest, turning the dispute into a media frenzy. Meanwhile, publicist Stephanie Jones has become a focal point after being sued by Baldoni for allegedly providing Lively's team with text messages that supported claims of a smear campaign. Jones insists she acted under legal obligation. But Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, has called the circumstances surrounding the evidence highly irregular, accusing Lively's team of manipulating the narrative. As the case progresses, both sides have faced criticism for their handling of sensitive information and public statements. A judge recently denied Lively's request to impose restrictions on public comments by Baldoni's legal team, signaling that the battle will likely continue to play out in the open. For those caught in the crossfire, like Wallace and the TAG employees, the personal toll is undeniable. The threats, harassment, and invasions of privacy have created a climate of fear, raising broader questions about the ethics of public disputes and the responsibility of those involved to protect the privacy and safety of others. This ongoing saga serves as a stark reminder of the human cost behind Hollywood's legal battles. As we await further updates, we encourage you to share your perspectives in the comments. Do you think the public nature of this dispute is helping or harming the pursuit of justice? Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join the conversation, and stay informed on this and other entertainment stories. Your engagement helps us bring you more in-depth coverage, so let's keep the discussion going.